Alright, so we are shooting the Bruni SRL 8mm. We got a couple of them. Okay. The 8mm, I couldn't tell you how to pronounce that word, so whatever. We'll go with that. Alright, so.
4.
Okay. Now these are blanks. Keep in mind, these are not real bullets. These are blanks. They sound, smell, and they just don't feel. But your gun does kick.
Please don't do this with nails.
She's got the clip loaded. Make sure they got them in correctly. Alright, clicks. Can I click on all the way? Okay. Alright, to start, she's going to pull back. It loads it. Jammed again, huh? Alright, when you're out, it remains open, just like that. Alright, these are the nickel-plated 9mm by Bruni, made in Italy. And if you see that button right there again, like you did the 8mm, yep, push it, drop the clip. We're going to load these up, see how loud these are. How many do you have loaded in your 9mm magazine?
I don't know.
I believe these hold 11.
Well, I can't push that.
Yeah. So, again, these are blank firing firearms. Do not need a license for them because they do not shoot a projectile. Alright, so she's got the clip in. See how loud these ones are. We have not shot these ones before. Again, these are the Brunis, the 9mm nickel plated. So it's going to do the exact same thing. To go ahead and start it, she's going to pull back on the part right there. Pull back. Puts one in the chamber. And we're going to walk away. Should be louder. You're loaded. You're loaded now. Obviously, no need to aim. And again, when you're out, it comes back and stays, so you know that you're out.
Oh, that's so loud. My ears are ringing.
So use them for a prop, use them for intimidation. Not advised, however, if somebody's breaking into your home, stand your ground. It's still United States.
I like that one better though.
Yeah?
Because it's bigger.
It's bigger? Does it fit your hand better?
Yeah, which is weird.
Okay. So that's the 9mm nickel plated. There you go. Just like that. Oh, this is the 8mm. That's my case for the 8mm.
Okay.
There we go. In case you're curious, again, these are blank firing firearms. You do not need a license. You do not need bullets. All you need are blanks. These are made to never, ever, ever shoot a live bullet. When we got them, there was a plug. All we did is pull the plug, and after looking inside, you can see when you're looking inside the barrel, there's no way a 9mm will ever fit in there, let alone the barrel would never be able to handle it. So, I hope this video has helped you. Take care, God bless, fire on.